And welcome to Nancy's Neighborhood, folks. And it's an exciting day here in Nancy's Neighborhood because I got something a little bit different for you, and I'm thrilled that I've got this to present. My friend John Thomas contacted me this morning and said, when could they come on and promote an event or an opportunity that Sounds of Tennessee has? And I said, today. And by gollies, they pulled it together. So, John, welcome. It's good to have you here.
Thank you, Nancy. It's so good to be here.
Thank you for suggesting what you suggested because you have just made my day.
Well, great. I always like that.
And I like for that to be done, too. So, now, Sound of Tennessee.
Yes.
I'm excited. I know what they do, but everybody else may not. So, explain a little bit about what this small group is, what the large group is.
Sure. Well, the Sound of Tennessee Chorus is the local chapter of the Barbershop Harmony Society. And we've been active for about 20 years in this area, and we sing a unique style of music called barbershop.
Yes, you do, and it's beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. And we are today promoting Singing Valentines because we are using that as a vehicle to fund our trip to the international competition.
Exciting.
Now, barbershop music is sung all over the world. In fact, it's the largest group of male singers anywhere. And there are thousands of choruses around the world. We were recently graded one of the top 30
Oh, fantastic.
in the world. And so as a result of that, we get to go to the international competition in Salt Lake City in July.
Wow.
And compete. And we're very excited about that.
Oh, I think that's awesome.
Yeah, we're very excited in part because we're a relatively small chorus. Cleveland, Tennessee will put 35 to 40 people on stage at most, and we'll be competing against some choruses that have upwards of 150 men.
Oh my gosh. See, I would have think 35 and 40 is a good chorus, but wow.
Yeah, so we're really excited. And we have an excellent opportunity for people that want to have a special Valentine's treat. And let me tell you about it. If someone arranges for a singing Valentine for their spouse or loved one, what happens is at the designated time and place, we'll have a quartet show up in tuxedos with a rose and sing a lovely love song to that person. And I promise you, it's something that they'll never forget. If you buy candy or roses, that'll be forgotten next week.
Absolutely.
But they will never forget having a love song delivered to them by our
Absolutely.
quartets.
And y'all have sung to me in the past. And it was really special. It's so nice to hear.
Thank
And
you.
it's beautiful music, and it's such close harmony.
It is. Yeah, it's beautiful harmony.
It's what I like to call the Gatlin brother harmony. You know, you got to be related to sing that close a harmony. But,
That's
but
exactly
it's
right.
really good harmony. And I think on the screen is what you're talking about. So, so kind of go over that with us just real briefly, and let's see.
If someone wants to arrange for a singing Valentine, the best thing for them to do is to go to our website, which is soundoftn.org, and they'll find there the links to Eventbrite and all the information that they'll need in order to book a singing Valentine. It's very easy to do.
And I think it's awesome. And we have a quartet now behind me off stage that I'd like for them to sing one of the songs that they're going to sing for us. So take it away, guys, and welcome.
Heart of my heart, I love you. Life would be naught without you. Light of my life, my darling, I love you. I love you. I can forget you never. From you I ne'er can sever. Say you'll be mine forever. I
that is great. Thank you. Don't go away, guys, because I've asked them to do something else. Has nothing to do with Valentine's, but John knows I love gospel music. So if anybody's going to sing a Valentine to me, I want them to sing this next song that they're going to do. But John, this is awesome, and I've seen on Facebook too that you all are offering up the chorus to people that are interested in coming.
Yes, absolutely. We'd love to have men join us that enjoy singing, and it's something that they don't have to know how to read music to do.
That's
for example.
wonderful.
We have all kinds of aids that will help them learn the songs, learning tracks on CD and what have you, and we have very intensive practices as well. So by the time we're ready to perform a song, we know it inside and out.
And I've actually had John and 3 other gentlemen at church service that I'm responsible for at Broad Street, and they did some gospel music for that, and I love that, and I need to get y'all back, John. But when do you all meet and where?
We meet on Tuesday evenings at the Church of God headquarters, okay? And we meet at 7 o'clock and usually go till about 9:30, 9:45.
When everybody's voices quit.
Everybody's choosing.
2.5 hours is all you can do.
Nobody's allowed to quit. They have to keep going the whole time.
Okay, even if they have no voice.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Now, I know the guys have another song, and I've forgotten the name of it. It's
When I Lift Up My Head.
When I Lift Up My Head, yes. I was turning around there to them. But now, if anybody's going to send me a Valentine, this is the one I want you to send me, okay? So here we go, guys. Take it again.
Well, when I'm down, when I'm down and out, when my heart is filled with fear and doubt, well, I lift up my head, then He lifts up my heart, and my troubles just all roll away. Roll away, roll away, troubles away, roll away, roll away, roll away, troubles all away, roll away. When I lift up my head, then He lifts up my heart, and my troubles just all roll away. Now I can't see the sun with my head to the ground. Tears dim my vision and weigh my heart down.
Well, I found a secret when I knelt to pray.
When I lift up my head, then He lifts up my heart, and my troubles just all roll away. Roll away, roll away, troubles all away, roll away, roll away, troubles all away, roll away. When I lift up my head, He lifts up my heart, and my troubles just all roll away. Roll away, roll away, troubles all away, roll away, roll away, roll away, troubles all away, roll away. When I lift up my head, He lifts up my heart, and my troubles just all roll away, roll away. My troubles just all roll away, roll away, roll away, roll away, roll away.
Woohoo! Fantastic. Guys, thank you all so much for being on with us today. You've made my week. I really appreciate it. I do. Thank you all so much. So now let's promote it again, because they can be bought. Okay, they can be rented. Whatever. So they will go out on Valentine's Day.
Yes.
And this is how, on the screen, is how the people can order the quartet.
That's correct, yes. And we'll go to people's workplace, we'll go to their homes, wherever they happen to be, and deliver this, and believe me, it makes an unforgettable impact.
It really does, because I remember y'all coming to sing to me, and I was shocked, was the first thing I was. I thought, who ordered these guys over here? But anyway, so John, thank you so much for contacting me this morning and bringing this group on, and I'm blessed.
We appreciate your support in this, Nancy. You've supported us for many years now, and we really appreciate it. Thank you for having us on.
You're so welcome. I love good music, and barbershop is good music. So, John, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nancy.
We're going to cut to commercial right now. Now, remember, folks, watch our commercials, support our sponsors, because they pay our bills. And I'll be right back with my next guest, who may or may not be as exciting as this was, but don't go away.